Create flow. Once you have analyzed the value stream in your organization, the next step is to optimize the flow of value through it. This involves removing obstacles and bottlenecks. 3 strategies for creating flow are organizing people, ensuring quality at the source, and ensuring that equipment is reliable and well maintained. Employees should be organized into cross-functional teams comprised of people who can fulfill all the functions required to make a product or complete a service. These teams should take ownership of safety, product value, and waste reduction. Ensuring quality at the source means checking quality throughout production, rather than as a separate step at the end of production. You can ensure quality through source inspection, progressive inspection, and error proofing. Now, let's see each way to ensure that quality at the source to find out more about what or how it creates this flow. Source inspection. With source inspection, employees check their work before passing it on to the next phase. For example, at the end of a call in which a customer applies for a credit card, a call center representative checks to ensure he has recorded all the customer's personal information and this person's needs before passing on the paperwork to the next employee who processes the application. The second employee must check the form to ensure all the required fields have been completed correctly. Progressive inspection. Progressive inspection is the standardized inspection each employee carries out before beginning work on a component. This avoids investing time and effort on a faulty product and reduces risk. For instance, bank tellers inspect checks methodically before stamping and processing them. Error proofing. To reduce the need for inspection, you can provide built-in features that prevent errors from occurring. This is known as error proofing, or referred to using the Japanese term poka-yoke. For example, online retail sites have logic checks to ensure customers enter all required details before allowing them to progress to the next page. The third way to create flow is to maintain equipment. All employees should share responsibility for performing maintenance tasks on a daily basis. For example, team members should routinely clean and maintain the equipment that they use. Now let's try a question. As the operations manager in a toy factory, you want to improve flow in the production of jigsaw puzzles. The puzzles need to be designed, printed, glued, cut, and packaged. What suggestions could you make to improve value stream flow in the toy factory? Here I have the options. Create a single team to produce the puzzles, from design right through to packaging for delivery. Create a protocol for print operators to check whether puzzle designs are correctly laid out before printing them. Use specialized glue dispensers to prevent uneven application. Ensure operators keep the area around the cutting press clear and free of clutter. Create a specialized work team to focus exclusively on puzzle design, and/or use the largest available space to glue, cut, and package puzzles. And this is the answer for you to compare. Option 1, this option is correct. You can improve flow by organizing people into cross-functional teams that take specific product groups through the entire product or production process. Option 2, this option is correct. Progressively inspecting products before commencing work is an example of ensuring quality at source, which encourages good flow. Option 3, this is a correct option. Removing the possibility of mistakes through error proofing prevents waste and encourages good flow. Option 4, this is correct. Keeping work areas clean and neat helps prevent disruptions to flow, as well as improving safety. Option 5, this option is incorrect. To improve flow, you should organize people into cross-functional teams with members that cooperate throughout the process. And option 6, this option is obviously incorrect. To create flow, work areas should be relatively compact so that components and tools can move quickly from one person to the next.